Hey everyone, Jesse here. Welcome to lesson 15.2 of RevUp Results. In this lesson, we're diving into something powerful and often underrated in the detailing and PPF world, peer learning. You've probably heard the saying, success leaves clues. Well, in our community, those clues show up in the form of real wins, real failures, and everything in between. And when we share those openly, we all level up faster. Section 1, the value of peer learning. Detailing, coating, PPF, these are all high skill, high ticket services. But growing a business around them isn't just about getting better at installing. It's about learning from others who've already been where you are. And that's the power of peer learning. When someone posts about how they landed a $2,000 ceramic job, or how they handled a failed coating install, or what helped them close a client who was price shopping, of course, they're giving you real-time strategies that work in the real world. And when you share your own wins and challenges, you're giving back and you're opening the door for feedback, support, and new perspective you may have never considered. Section 2, sharing your wins. Let's talk wins first. When you land a big job, raise your prices, hire your first team member, share it, not to brag, not to show off, but to show what's possible. You never know who's watching. That one post might inspire another detailer who's been stuck at the same price point for months, or help a new installer realize what's possible in this industry with the right focus. Wins create momentum, and momentum is contagious. Section 3, sharing your challenges. Now let's talk about something even more valuable, sharing the struggles. Got ghosted by a client after a quote, had an install failed due to heat or humidity, customer left a 3-star review that hit hard. Share that too, because that's where the gold is. When you open up about the challenges, you get advice, support, and often solutions from people who've already dealt with the same thing. This is where the community really shine. We don't just cheer each other on, we help each other get better. Section 4, practical tips for peer learning. So here's how you make peer learning part of your weekly rhythm. Post at least once a week. Share a win, a challenge, or a lesson you learned. Engage with others. Comment on at least 3 posts. Offer encouragement or a tip from your own experience. Ask better questions. Be specific instead of, how do I get more leads? Ask, what worked for you when you raised your prices for ceramic coatings? When you treat the community like your mastermind group, you don't just learn faster, you grow smarter. So here's your action step. Head into the Detailers Movement Facebook group or Detailing for Money and post something real, a win, a struggle, or a question. Doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be honest. Because every time we share, we grow, not just individually, but as a community. Up next, we're diving into lesson 15.3, staying updated on trends and new opportunities, because the industry moves fast and we want to make sure you're always one step ahead. Looking forward to seeing you there.